And basically what we're going to do is charades with sounds. So it starts off with hands behind your back. Play the X-rated edition. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Alright. Yeehaw. Yeehaw, yeehaw.
Reverse cowgirl. Oh no. Golden shower. No? How? You're peeing on something. It's a cum shot? Bukkake? You're still going, bro. You're peeing on something. How are you not urinating? I don't get it. Squirting?
Yes.
This is disgusting, by the way. Gangbang. Three-way, threesome, gangbang, foursome. I don't know. That's not gangbang. Multiple partners. Orgy.
Okay.
Oh God. Are you like a cook? You're getting. What's going on?
Focus.
You're giving bingies there, and then you spin around and get backshotted as well. Oh,
Pass.
Wow. Do your thing. Don't you dare pass.
no way.
Don't you dare pass. Go, do it.
Yo! What's going on? Wow!